Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making some Escovitch fish Jamaican style. So go ahead, scale your fish, and we're going to wash our fish with some lime or vinegar. And then we are going to pat dry them with some paper towel, and that's how it looks. Now season your fish. You can use whatever season you desire. I put some all-purpose, some garlic seasoning, some mixed seasoning, and some dry thyme with some black pepper and some cayenne pepper. Now I am going to put some olive oil over it, just drizzle it in so you can incorporate it, and that season will stuck to your fish and make it taste very good. Leave it for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes. It's up to you, and that's how it looks. Voila. Now these are my vegetable that I'll be sauteing later. Now we're going to fry our fish. So make sure your oil is very hot. And now we just fry the fish about 25 minutes. That will do. And that's how it looks. Now we're going to saute the vegetable. Get the fish oil and put it in a brand new pot and just dash your cut vegetable in just like you see. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and just saute it. And that is some pimento seeds and a little bit of pepper. It's up to you if you want to use scotch bonnet pepper. I don't really like pepper that much, that's why I didn't use. Now add some sugar. That's about 1 tablespoon of sugar, and you're going to cover it for about 4 minutes because you don't want it to be cooked too much because you want that crunch in it. So give it a good stir, and voila, that's it. Now we're going to plate it up. So just put your sauteed vegetable at the bottom of your tray, and then you will add your fish on top of it like you see I am doing. And guys, you should try this. This is so delicious, especially the vegetables. I really do like the onions and the carrot and the bell pepper. It tastes really good with the fish. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Love you for watching. And to my 498 subscriber, I love you guys and I really do appreciate